Okay, so welcome everybody. Peggy, say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody. Think of this as like a cooking show.
Yes, it is very similar to a cooking show. I'm Mark Daniel Nelson. I'm an artist, if you guys don't know me, and I'm friends with Peggy and Ray. I'm sort of the host here. I'm going to be moderating a lot of the chat room stuff, and I'm going to be bringing people in and out who want to ask questions. I'll also be on the forum. Let us know what we're going to do here.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Or I want to help you reach your aesthetic sense. These are sketchbooks of mine that I have just done. This is an older one. It's full. I've taken a little anatomy book. I've got some blind contour. I was drawing the kids from life. They were there a nanosecond. We'll do some upside down, negative space, drawing with straight lines. Oh, one of my favorite things to draw from is the Vogue Runway app. I love drawing from that. More gestural line. This is just a page from a sketchbook to show you how I start to plan paintings and work out my design. Older illustration where I've just developed a little more form. This I had a little more time. These are all from life. I had time to figure out light and shadow on that. I was just really figuring out dark light pattern. I love going to open session.
Yeah, so Peggy gave me an assignment that showed the contrast between botanical accuracy versus a more interpretive.
Da Vinci compared to the Ellsworth Kelly. You know, there's this boy, the Sargent and Matisse. One way to get closer in touch with your aesthetic senses is think about seeing these two at an auction. And you had money just to buy one. Profession and Alice Neal. Comparing Rubens and Joan Mitchell. My gosh. Let's get started with the demos. Here's my list. And I'm going to demo these 6. We'll take a look. Is blind contour. Don't look at your pad. And I'll walk around the room and I'll put this in front of, because I see them, they just can't help themselves here. And I'll go with this, or like a minute hand on a clock. And I've come full circle all the way.
These are the exercises. She's going to give the assignment minutes a day. I'm going to do it with you. I'm excited. I need a little polishing up on my drawing skill as well. So the questions that are coming in about her materials or about, how long are you looking here? How long are you looking there? That's sort of subordinate.
Thanks everybody for joining me. It's all good. It's all good. Just put the pencil to the paper and just start. I lead a fear-based life. So every day I have to move through it. And how do I do it? I do it with my tools. So thanks again. And I hope you have fun with these exercises. Let yourself go.